Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up KDE Connect. So first thing is just simply go ahead and go to the search icon at the bottom left and search for Microsoft Store. And after that, just simply use the search bar at the top over here and just simply click on this one and just simply install it. Now, once you have installed this one, make sure to open it up. And after that, as you can see, no devices are found. So now let's move on to our phone. So guys, here on our phone, go to the Google Play Store into your device, tap the search icon at the bottom, search bar at the top, and search for KDE Connect. And after that, tap on KDE Connect and just simply install this one over here. Now it will be just a quick installation. And once it is done, you can just simply go ahead and select open over here. Tap on open. Now you should be able to see here your desktop. So from here guys, tap on it and tap on request pairing. And after that, on your browser, you should be able to see a pop-up and select accept. And now you could just simply see the connected devices over here. So click on it. And after that, you should be able to see here multiple options that are features in the KDE Connect. And from here, you should be able to set it up. And same thing with the device, you should have here multiple options. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.